Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here at Ablewaytech. We're doing another live trading example from this week. Symbol up for today is EWW the Mexico ETF, so let's get into it. The first thing we saw, like we always look for, is this harsh winter, the big move down. Created our critical state here when it stopped failing here. It's interesting here because it stopped failing, found that reverse right at over here, the intraday low. So that felt good, and we were able to then get an entry when it crossed back over the dragon, and our PSAR flipped right about here. This one was funny because we were entering right at the this turquoise line as the day's open, and you can see it kind of monkeyed around there for a while. I'll zoom in here. So this blue line I've started to mark off on my trades where I would be ready to cut it, if it wasn't working, because at this point we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 bars, and it wasn't going up yet like I was hoping it would. So I was ready at that point to cut it, and then right about here at the maximum pain, which still would have been about a scratch, it decided to take back off, so I stayed in. And then when it pulled back here and crossed the dragon, we were out at the red circle there, this guy here. And to me, I did a stop and reverse there. It was just right by the numbers. What I saw was, I saw this high up here, and then this was making a lower high. So this move down here was the target. I saw that I was playing that from here, it could get back down to here. It didn't. It just quickly reversed, didn't really go at all in our favor. So we got out here at the PSAR. This should have been a stop and reverse. I was a little bit late on it. So got in here at this green dot, came up slightly, and then reversed, and exited here when it crossed the dragon, and then did play, again, the reversal, the short trade here. This one I really liked because, again, what I'd seen was that already once in the day, this red line here is the yesterday's low of the day, an important resistance point. You can see it earlier in the day came up and failed that violently. So it was coming up to test that again, and again was reversing. So I really liked that trade. Again, I was just playing that same move then with the target down here. And see if I can move this down. So, and it really did move down quite quickly, which was a nice trade. So it came down. At that point, we had about 2R in hand. So I just ratcheted the stop up to about 1.5R to lock that in, and got out there, which was good because if I just let it go, it got all the way back to my entry point. So we don't want that. So got out here, was able to preserve most of the profits. Got 0.6 on the first trade, a loss of 0.9 on the second, a little scratch, little piece of cheese here on the third trade, and then this was, let's see, 1.6 here. 1.6 on this last trade for about 1.4 for the day. Click the link in the description to check out our trading courses at ablewaytech.com. You can also sign up for our free weekly newsletter there. And don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more trading examples and trading lessons posted each week. Thanks for watching.